Welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the 5 best high-pressure car washing machines of 2024. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who loves a clean ride, we've got the top picks that will make your car sparkle like never before. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. 3,500 watt 18-volt high-pressure car washing machine. Introducing the ultimate solution for all your cleaning needs. The 3,500 watt 18-volt high-pressure car washing machine with a powerful 3,500 watt brushless motor. This high-pressure washing machine delivers an impressive 200 bar pressure, making it 85% more powerful than traditional brush motors. Whether you're washing your car, watering your garden, or tackling household cleaning tasks, this versatile tool has you covered. Experience the convenience of an intelligent induction variable frequency motor. The water spray motor automatically starts when you spray and stops when you don't, saving energy and extending battery life. Adjust the water flow to your specific needs with the 6-in-1 nozzle. Choose from 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree foam, and shower modes to tackle any cleaning challenge. Powered by an 18-volt lithium battery, this machine offers powerful battery life, making it perfect for on-the-go cleaning. The universal battery socket allows for easy battery replacement. Equipped with essential accessories like a long rod, 0-degree nozzle, and a 5-meter water pipe, this high-pressure washer is designed for convenience and efficiency. Need to draw water from unconventional sources? No problem. This machine can draw water from anywhere, making it incredibly versatile. Different scenarios where the washing machine is used: washing a car, watering plants, cleaning a patio. Upgrade your cleaning game with a 3,500 watt 18-volt high-pressure car washing machine. Power, versatility, and convenience all in one compact design. Order yours today and experience the difference. Number 4. 6-in-1 cordless car washer spray gun. Introducing the versatile and powerful 6-in-1 cordless car washer spray gun. This 500-watt cordless car washer boasts a robust 755 pure copper motor and a massive 30,000 mAh battery, delivering up to 100 bar pressure for exceptional cleaning power. With a battery life of up to 40 minutes, you can tackle any cleaning task without interruption. Its portable design and automatic cooling system ensure it stays powerful and reliable wherever you go. The 6-in-1 high-pressure nozzle offers 6 different spray patterns, from a focused 0-degree jet to a gentle shower mode, allowing you to clean every nook and cranny with ease. Whether you're washing your car, watering your garden, or cleaning your patio, this versatile tool is perfect for a variety of tasks. Its powerful, all-copper motor ensures deep cleaning and effective dirt removal. Equipped with a built-in stainless steel fine filter, it effectively removes impurities from the water, ensuring a cleaner wash. Plus, the included foam bottle makes applying soap a breeze, giving your car a professional-grade clean. Designed for convenience, this car washer can draw water from various sources: a bucket, a Coke bottle, or a faucet, making it incredibly versatile and easy to use. The national standard 5C lithium battery provides extra long endurance. The package includes a 5-meter water inlet pipe, ternary lithium battery, charger, adjustable pressure foam kettle, weighted filter screen, long rod sprinkler, and a quick connect connector. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the 6-in-1 cordless car washer spray gun. Powerful, versatile, and convenient, it's the ultimate cleaning solution. Number 3. High-pressure electric water gun. Introducing the ultimate in portable cleaning power, the high-pressure electric water gun. This wireless car washing machine delivers an impressive 60 bar pressure, powered by a rechargeable 24-volt 5,600 mAh lithium battery for unmatched cleaning performance. Say goodbye to cumbersome power cords. Our cordless design lets you clean anywhere, anytime. It's perfect for car washing, garden watering, and more. Experience the power of high-pressure cleaning. This water gun tackles tough stains and dirt with ease, thanks to its 60 bar pressure and 20,000 RPM speed. Built with durable ABS and copper materials, our water gun ensures long-lasting, efficient cleaning. The copper nozzle delivers powerful, focused water jets for optimal results. Customize your cleaning with 3 adjustable water types and 2 water inlet methods, self-priming or faucet. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with temperature protection and automatic shutdown features for over-temperature and overload safety. The Pure Copper Motor's core pressurized energy storage technology magnifies water pressure threefold, while the Cyclone pressurized water gun enhances water flow, spraying up to 8 meters to clean faster and more efficiently. From car washing to garden irrigation, this high-pressure cleaner is versatile and multifunctional. It comes with a variety of high-quality extension accessories for convenient and thorough cleaning. Enjoy simple installation with quick plug-in interfaces. The water inlet features a filtration device to extend the water gun's service life. Easily remove and recharge the lithium battery for hassle-free maintenance. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the high-pressure electric water gun. Powerful, portable, and convenient, it's your perfect cleaning companion. Number 2. Cordless high-pressure car washer gun. Introducing the ultimate in portable cleaning power, the cordless high-pressure car washer gun. This powerful 200-watt cordless car washer delivers an impressive 50 bar pressure, powered by a rechargeable 21-volt lithium battery for exceptional cleaning performance. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery, this water gun can run continuously for up to 60 minutes on a single charge, making it perfect for outdoor use. Featuring an 18D plunger pump and 18 mm plunger diameter, this water gun has a high-pressure range of up to 10 meters, ensuring thorough cleaning of even the toughest stains. With a multifunctional nozzle offering various water types and adjustable pressure, this cordless design allows for greater flexibility and freedom of movement. The high-performance 3,000-watt all-copper motor operates at a maximum speed of 20,000 RPM, ensuring continuous use without overheating and a long service life. Its self-priming design allows the water gun to be used with any water source, including buckets, soda bottles, rivers, and ponds. The dual nanofiltration system ensures deep filtration, extending the machine's lifespan. From car washing to garden watering, pet bathing, and even painting, this multifunctional high-pressure cleaner is designed to handle a variety of tasks effortlessly. Enjoy simple installation with quick plug-in interfaces. Easily remove and recharge the lithium battery for hassle-free maintenance. Upgrade your cleaning routine with a cordless high-pressure car washer gun. Powerful, portable, and convenient, it's your perfect cleaning companion. Number 1. Yofidra 200-bar high-pressure car washer. Introducing the Yofidra 200-bar high-pressure car washer, the ultimate solution for all your cleaning needs. This electric water gun boasts a powerful 3,500-watt brushless motor, delivering a maximum pressure of 200 bar and a water flow of 4.1 liter per min for unbeatable cleaning performance. Experience the convenience of a cordless design powered by a 15,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. With long battery life, you can clean anywhere without being tethered to a power source. Whether you're washing your car, cleaning your garden, or refreshing your patio, the Yofidra high-pressure car washer offers flexible and efficient cleaning with its powerful 200 bar pressure and 10-meter range. Designed with user comfort in mind, the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making long-term use effortless. Its lightweight build adds to the ease of use, The 6-in-1 nozzle provides versatile cleaning options with 6 different spray modes, easily adjustable to suit any task. Switch from a focused jet to a gentle shower with a simple rotation. Clean anywhere there's water with our innovative design. The stainless steel fine screen offers high efficiency and deep filtration, protecting the pump by filtering impurities from the water. The powerful brushless motor delivers strong, stable performance, handling high loads without burning out. It's built to last, ensuring a long service life for your cleaning tool. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Ofidra 200-bar high-pressure car washer. Powerful, portable, and user-friendly, it's the perfect cleaning companion. Thanks for watching our countdown of the 5 best high-pressure car washing machines of 2024. We hope you found the perfect machine for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. And let us know in the comments which car washing machine you're excited to try. See you in the next video.